Hey everyone, Tyler here with HAAS Stainless, and in today's video we're going to be talking about the HAAS Stainless hole marking template and how you can easily put it to use whenever you're installing your cable railing system. So one of the most time-consuming parts of installing your cable railing system is marking and drilling all of the holes that are needed for your cable runs. So to make that process a little bit easier and less time-consuming, we designed the HAAS Stainless Hole Marking Template. The HAAS Stainless Marking Template features 4 separate marking holes that are equally spaced at 3 inches apart to comply with building code, and we also included 3 teardrop cutouts that aid users in locating previously made marks as they move the template down the post. So to start using your marking template, the first thing that you need to do is measure and mark your top and bottom gap on your post so that each row of cable can be equally spaced 3 inches apart in between the 2 marks. And if you're not sure how to find the top and bottom gap, no problem. You can click on the link in the description below, which will bring you straight to E-Rigging.com, where we'll show you how. To begin laying out the holes on your post, line up the top of your marking template so that it sits flush with the top gap mark that you previously made on the post. While holding the template snugly to the post, use the 4 marking holes to mark your post. With your first 4 marks made, slide the template down the post and then use the teardrop cutout to locate the last mark that was made, and then align the mark with the top edge of the marking template. Use the remaining 4 marking holes to mark your post, and then continue down the post until all of the holes at the post have been marked. Repeat this entire process until all of the posts in your cable railing system have been marked. So that's going to wrap up today's video on the HAAS Stainless hole marking template. If you've got any further questions about any of HAAS Stainless's products, you can visit us at www.e-rigging.com, or you can click on the link in the description below, which will bring you straight to the website. I'm Tyler with HAAS Stainless. Thanks for watching.